A common issue with the PS series units is the pressure switch being too sensitive or not sensitive enough. This video will guide you to solve this simple issue. You are going to need a drill with a Phillips head and a small flathead screwdriver. Start by unscrewing the screws holding the pressure switch to the unit. Turn the switch around so that it is facing you, and here you will see a screw with an H and an L. With your flathead screwdriver, turn the screw a half a turn towards the H to decrease sensitivity or towards the L to increase sensitivity. Make sure you reattach the two. Go ahead and mount the pressure switch back on the unit and test the unit with your air input to ensure the pressure switch works properly. If you continue to have issues or have questions about this guide, contact us at vents-us.com.